There's Roxy, just has to be the ham of the show. Okay, so today I'm doing a follow-up video on my koi pond in the Proficlear OASE by OASE. It's a koi pond filter. So if you have you can see I've got at least 25, I don't know, between 25 and 30 giant koi in my koi pond. So that's a lot of stuff that they put out. Here's my floating microgreens planter and a little tomato plant in the middle. And then I actually have a pump that goes into the pond and it pushes pond water up to the top here of this tower garden, and it actually grows microgreens. So it's really cool. So it's no synthetic petroleum-based fertilizers or anything of that nature. Anyways, it's really clean system. So I've got the fish here, and although the water isn't as crystal clear as when I first put the filter in last week, and I think the reason for that being is I left one component out, which I thought I would leave out and then see how long it would take for me to notice, and I definitely noticed. Now we're going to go up to the filter and see what the last component is. So if you're thinking of putting this thing in for yourself, here's the system. It's a self-cleaning koi pond filter. It's like the only one in the world that I know of for like a backyard. So there's the OASE. There's the OASE thing, and then Proficlear Premium Compact Biological Filter. There's a sensor. I'll show you how this works. There's a sensor right here, and when it senses if this spinning wheel, gets too much stuff on it that needs to be cleaned out, these little green things here are like sprinklers. They wash it off, and then it goes down this pipe, and it goes into my compost pile over here. So my compost gets tons of really wonderful biological, lots of biological effective microorganisms that'll help to break down my stuff in the compost pile. Anyway, getting back to this, what I didn't have last week and when I did this video was I didn't have this white stuff called the Helix 13 biomedium. What that means is that this has a lot of SSA, otherwise known as specific surface area. These little white pieces here, they actually will colonize tons and tons of bacteria. And so the bacteria will actually break down will actually break down the ammonia, for example. And if you get too much ammonia in a pond, you'll actually get tons and tons of algae. And so this will help to reduce the algae. It'll remove the ammonia, the nitrites, the nitrification process starts to go on. It removes the denitrification, we'll put it that way. So you're not going to get as much algae. And it's compatible with a lot of different filters, but it's really an amazing system. I've never had anything like this. I'm like a kid in a candy shop with this, and so I'm just really grateful to be here putting this thing in. It's new technology out of Germany, and so it's the only one I know of that does this. So it's self-cleaning. I don't even have to come out and get my hands dirty or wet anymore. And so for more information, go on the website, OASE livingwaterusa.com. So Mike with Enviroscape LA signing off, just like a kid in a candy shop with my new koi pond filter. So also you can text me or email me if you have information. If you want more information on this, you can also reach out to me too. Okay, thanks for joining, and this happy camper is going to sign off. I'll do another video to see roughly how long it takes for the bacteria to colonize and then just clean up, make this pond crystal clear. Thanks for joining. Take care.